Hey guys, what's happening? How to pause video recording on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings. Go to the general software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Go back to your screen. Go ahead to your camera. And then what you're gonna do, go to the video. And now I'm gonna record a video, right? As you can see right now, I'm recording a video. And next to the recording, you're gonna see the pausing, right? At the bottom left, on the left side. So go ahead and hit pause. And now you can click the recording button to in the same position on the left side. So you can continue or resume your recording. Or you can just click on the middle to stop it right away. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.